Iconic in its profile and purposeful in its stance, the 2015 Land Rover LR4 is no doubt a perfect mid-size luxury SUV for both on and off-road traveling. It is elegant in the city and capable in the country. With a spacious interior, 7 passengers can be traveling in style with comfort thanks to its strikingly cabin design and a contemporary look inside out. The 3-liter V6 supercharged engine in the LR4 is super responsive, combined with the 8-speed automatic transmission that deliver an impressive 340 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque, not to mention the adjustable air suspension that give the LR4 a more comfortable ride and can be raised to tackle difficult terrain or lower for easier loading. The terrain response can be set at the touch of a switch, which reconfigure engine, transmission, throttle, and traction response for optimal drivability, so whether traveling over pavement, grass, gravel or snow, mud and ruts, sand or rocks, the LR4 takes to it with consummate ease. It really is a perfect SUV for both on and off-road traveling. The Land Rover LR4 also offers the optional towing package with a towing capacity of 7,716 pounds and is also equipped with trailer stability assist, which work together to keep the vehicle and trailer under control. Optional technologies also help with hitching the trailer to the tow bar and guiding your maneuverability. Up front, the Land Rover LR4 features a very clean and distinctive design, from the front grille, side mirrors, and bumper, not to mention the front light that help accentuate its contemporary style. Everything goes really well together. A closer look at the adaptive xenon headlamp with halogen projections and high-intensity headlight washer located right under the headlight. Headlight also comes with the integrated signature LED daytime running light, as well as LED turn signal light. Park assist and a pair of fog lights are also built into the front bumper. In the middle is the unique front grille with Land Rover badging on it. Intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed are also one of the standard features. This particular model comes with the optional 20-inch 5 double-spoke diamond turn wheels, finished in gloss black, with 255/50 Pirelli tires for optimal performance. Behind the wheel is the set of internally ventilated brake discs and the power-assisted 4-piston brake caliper painted in silver. Here is the specific Land Rover LR4 fender, supercharged V6 badge on the door, side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal indicator. Side cameras are also located under the side view mirror. And there's the running board for easier entry and exit. On top is the sunroof that can be tilted up or slide open for an open air feeling, and the rear alpine roof that provides a large reflective glass panel with integrated sun blinds. All passengers can enjoy the light and air cabins of the LR4. Rear wheels are also the same size as the front. Behind the rear wheel is the set of internally ventilated brake discs, and the brake caliper are also painted in silver. It also comes with tire monitoring system on all 4 wheels, all-terrain anti-lock braking system, all-terrain dynamic stability control, emergency brake assist, hill descent control, as well as road stability control. Now looking at the back, the first thing you'll notice is the very unique and stylish LED tail light. Integrated into the tail light are the LED brake light, as well as the LED turn signal light. All lights are LED power. A closer look at the light. Very cool looking design. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser with integrated rear deflector and park assist built into the rear diffuser. And there's the trailer towing hitch that can tow a maximum of 7,716 pounds of towing capacity. There's the rear view camera that will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. Third LED brake light on top. Okay, here I have the remote with Land Rover logo on the back. On the remote, I have the lock, unlock, light on and off, trunk release, as well as panic button. Now to turn on the light, press the light button one time to turn on and press it again to turn off. Now let's unlock the vehicle and check out the interior. So the car does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, place your hand behind the door handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as Fuji White, featuring two-tone interior color, black and silver on the seat, with white contrast stitching. Black on the dash as well as door panels, with silver aluminum trims and dark wood trims throughout. Now let's get into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, push the start button to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2015 Land Rover LR4 have to offer. Under the hood is a 3-liter supercharged V6 engine with direct fuel injections, all-wheel drive, and intelligent stop and start technology, 8-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission with command shift, with normal, sport, and manual shift mode with steering wheel mounted paddle shifter, pushing out 340 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in 7.7 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 121 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 14 city, 19 highway, and 16 combined. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Here is a look at the driver's side door panel. It is all black with silver aluminum trims and dark wood trims on it. All 4 windows are fully automatic, and there's the side view mirror control. It does feature folded options. Three-position memory setting, Meridian surround sound speaker, and there's the storage space for the door panel and a cup holder. Land Rover door sill, and there's the pedals. And here's a closer look at the seat. It is all black with silver insert in the middle and white contrast stitching throughout the seat. Both front seats feature 8-way power adjustable front seat, including power lumbar support. Driver seat memory recall 3-star position for the seat, steering wheel, as well as outside mirrors. Both front seat and second row seats does feature heated option that comes as a part of the luxury package. The 4-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather, with dark wood trims on the upper portion and white contrast stitching all around, with silver aluminum trims and dark wood trims in the middle. Looks and feel very nice. Featuring multi-function control side by side for your convenience, with control for audio, cruise control, voice command, as well as the most frequent used function in the vehicle. Behind the steering wheel you have the up and down paddle shifter, so you can put it in sport mode for a more aggressive ride. And there's the windshield wiper control. On the left you have the turn signal light control. And there's a look at the instrument cluster. It comes with the large TFT screen in the middle. Steering wheel does feature power tilt and telescopic steering column. Over to the left you have the driver's side air vent with aluminum trims around it. Light controlled, rear and front fog lights, as well as instrument light controlled. And here is a closer look at the dash. The dash is wrapped in leather. Now this particular model also comes with the upgraded 825 watts Meridian surround sound system, featuring 17 total speakers located throughout the cabin, including a subwoofer that will blow you and your passenger away with the sound quality. Now looking at the center stack, you see the large multimedia screen and the dual air vent side by side with dark wood trims on it. And here's the multimedia control, volume on and off, home button, navigation, telephone, audio and video. There's the camera button, which let you view the surrounding outside of the vehicle. There you have the emergency hazard light, traction on and off, and heated seat, parking assist, dual climate control. Down here you have the different driving mode. Suspension raise and lower. And there you have the hill descent control and the eco start and stop, cigarette lighter, 12-volt power plug. And here's the gearbox. You can turn the round knob around to move between different gears. Just turn it to get into reverse, and once you're in reverse, the backup camera will appear on the multimedia screen with guidance line. It will also move as you turn the wheel, and turn it again for neutral, again for drive, and to get over to sport, just press it down and turn it to get into sport. And that's when you can use the up and down paddle shifter located behind the steering wheel to change gear. Very easy to use. And there's the parking brake, storage compartment, dual cup holder, center storage compartment, and there's the switch for the cool box. You can turn the cool box on while in use and turn it off while not using. Very nice feature to have. And there you have the later storage compartment above the glove box compartment. Glove box compartment. Inside you have the USB and auxiliary input. There's another storage compartment. And a closer look at the seat. Very nice upholstery material. Each seat does have its own armrest. On top you have the light control and the one-touch open, close and tilt moonroof. And there's the manual sunshade. And to the back you can see the alpine roof, so all passengers can enjoy the sunlight. 3-button universal garage door opener on the rear view mirror. Sun visor mirror.
We were born to run, Cali, here we come, getting out of here, baby.
Very nice sound quality. Now let's take a look at the rear seat. Rear seats are for seating for 3, and it looks pretty spacious in the back. And it does feature folded option. You can fold it into 40, 20 or 40 split for your convenience. And a look at the driver's side rear door panel. Rear windows are also automatic. Storage compartment as well as a cup holder. Now let's get into the rear seat and see how it is in the back. But like usual, let me show you the look to the front cabin. Very good looking cabin. It is very spacious as well. And here's the look to the top. Beautiful view on top. Dual air vent for the rear passenger. 12-volt power outlet. Heated seat for the rear as well. Dual cup holders. Now I'm 5'8" and I have plenty of leg room left with the seat all the way back. And there's the seat pocket. It is very comfortable in the back. The seats are very well padded. Plenty of headroom in the back as well. And there's the beautiful alpine roof. It goes from the second row seat to the rear seat to the third row seat. Light controlled on top, as well as air vent, door handles. Alpine roof also features the manual sunshade, so all passengers can enjoy the sunlight entering the cabin. Now let me show you the look to the back again, but first let me fold down the middle section. Just push the red button located on the top of the seat to fold it down. There is 2 additional seats in the back. I'll show you that in a moment. So to fold down the seat, just press that button to fold down the seat. And then the rear passenger can pull the string to flip the seat upward, so you can gain easier access to the third row seat. Let's see how much space I have in the back. So third row seats offer quite a bit of leg room as well. I still have some leg room left. So if you're 5'8" and under, you should be really comfortable in the back. Also have some cup holders, storage compartment, and there's plenty of headroom for the third row seat passenger as well. On top you have the light control and the alpine roof. Now I still have extra leg room so I can move around very easily. and just press that button again and pull the string to get out. Very easy. Now let's take a look at the trunk and see how much cargo space the trunk offers. The LR4 features the split tailgate and adjustable air suspension to make loading much easier. The lower section can be opened to lower load height. Very convenient feature. So the trunk in the LR4 offers just 10 cubic feet of cargo space with all the seats up. Now you can fold down the third row seat to get 42 cubic feet of cargo space. So folding down the third row seat is a bit more complicated to fold down compared to other 7 passengers SUV, but it's not that difficult either. Just need a little more time to do it though. And if 42 cubic feet of cargo space is not enough for you, you can fold down the second row seat as well, and that's when you get 90 cubic feet of cargo space. And remember that you can fold it down to many different configurations to fit your needs. So that is how it looks with the third row seat folded. And this is with the second row seat folded. I'm not going to fold down the whole thing. I'm just going to give you an idea of how it looks. So overall pretty spacious. And I really do love the split tailgate options, where you can open the tailgate in 2 sections. And the gas cap is located on the passenger side. It does require premium unleaded fuel only and holds approximately 22.8 gallons of fuel. Overall, the 2015 Land Rover LR4 is a perfect combination of on and off-road traveling. With seating for 7 passengers and a spacious cabin, it sure will be an SUV that can get a lot of things done for the family. And another look to the back. And once again, very spacious second row seat. The front cabins are very spacious as well and offer great upholstery material with nicely aluminum trims and dark wood trims throughout. All passengers will really appreciate the alpine roof that brings a lot of sunlight into the cabin. Now let's get into the front passenger seat and see how it is in the front. Very comfortable. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you all enjoyed the 2015 Land Rover LR4 video. Go ahead and leave us a comment, letting everyone know what you think about the LR4. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video reviews. And I'll see you guys next time.